Gar. Hi. Where are you going? Okay, you go inside. Where's your door? Where's your classroom? There? Okay, oh, you get your slippers here. Mahal. Here. The box. This one. No. Get the box. Okay, you sit down. Yes.
Paano yun? Di ba kahoy yun?
Job. Oh, you put there, mahal. Okay, you knock on the door. Knock some more. Good morning.
Say good morning, Teacher Tina. I miss you.
Ay, sus. Good morning po.